Itaas mo lang, i-push up mo ng konti.
Uy, ano ba yan?
Si ano ta? Si Daddy. Daddy.
I did already took my shot. Go. One more for the vlog.
Okay, for the vlog. Hey! Diga.
Girl na padalawang shot ako. Ganon.
What is this?
Gab.
Kayuma.
Ano yan?
25 pa lang si Pion. 24.
Marvin!
Sabi niya 26.
Ilan taon ka na, Marvin?
Did not work out to how you planned it
Where's
to be.
the
Just know that God
microphone?
always got you, and that God would always make it right for you
Alien,
in His
alien.
own timing, but not
Alien.
your own timing. The thing that she needs the most. Something that she needs in her life, something that will be convenient for her, something that will help her with her success with life. And that being said, oh, dun, 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 dun. I got her a gift card. And this is worth $50, the maximum limit. And for my Christmas, I got gas.
Siya pala. Ala, parang sad si Gabo.
Anyways, no, I'm gonna... Thank you.
Kiss.
So I'm just editing the vlog right now, and I just realized they didn't click the record button, so they didn't record my part of my explanation about like what I gave this person and who this was. I did like a little prank, and I only put one chocolate in a big box. When Vince opened up the box, I was kind of like disappointed, and I was like, what in the heck is happening? Like, why is this just a chocolate? Loki, I think he believed it. I gave him this specific gift because you know how Vince is like athletic and like he needs to take care of his immune system. So you'll see on the next clips what I got him. Open it! Putang ina neto.
Tangina mo, all those time hindi naka-ano.
Cellphone.
Mic'd up. To cleanse your soul.
Okay.
For the end of the year, you know, you need some cleansing.
Okay. Okay.
Tim Hortons team.
Hey.
Sorry.
Hey, pass that notion. Dry ass.
6 months, bro. Don't worry. I don't need it.
Hey.
Oh, for my lips?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Like, fuck with
May
it.
Toblerone, may Toblerone yata. May Toblerone. Pag ng chocolate, one.
Hininga ng gift. Oh,
Share
from Dominica.
Taylor Swift.
Bullying bracelet.
Friendship bracelet.
What is this? Burberry.
Exfoliating.
Oh my God, hindi pa siya
Peel.
natatapos guys. May laman
For
pa rin
your
yung box.
Thank you, bro. Thank you so much.
Naghanap ng
No, see. I get
Wala na. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, Gab!
Yung tao to, ano?
Tao.
May tae.
Ano ba yan? That's me.
Joke lang.
So, Gab ulit.
Gago.
Guys, like, questionable.
Is this miserable?
Very miserable.
Bisexualable.
Yeah, pero this guy grew on me. I love this guy. I mean, I love every one of you guys.
Sana
I
all love.
Where?
And
I love you.
No.
this guy has a good heart.
Wait. Si JP pa.
Black heart.
I wish the best for this guy. I hope he does well. Now, you know, like, he's my compadre. I treat this guy as compadre, you know? The reason why I gave this to this guy
Alam ko na yun.
is because ayun narinig ko eh. Ayun yung naisip ko. Kailangan niya. Kasi expensive.
Expensive.
No, I'm just kidding. It's not expensive.
Pag expensive ako.
Sabi mo, ano eh, curler eh. Mahal kaya.
Yabe. 50.
Yeah, any guess?
Towel.
Questionable.
Marvin.
Oliver.
CJ Hill.
Questionable.
Pero bago mo ibuksan, pre.
Engagable. Charis.
May utang ka pa sa akin, pre. Saan ba yun?
Putang pa ako dito eh. Sa pants.
Glue on mid end.
Kakabili ko lang nito.
Kaya pala glue.
Kaya pala grew on him.
All my underwear fucking have holes on it. Kakabili ko lang 10 pairs.
Pre, mahal niya talaga yung sinasabi mo sa akin kanina. Pre, ang mahal ng brick. Oo nga, oo nga. Oo na lang ako, pero mahal talaga, pre. Like, bro.
Mahal eh. Kaya puro butas yung...
Magkano?
Like, probably 30 bucks.
Yeah.
$54.
No. Bro, it's 50 limit.
54. With tax, 58.
We went to Zoomies.
Pero
Right?
questionable
Ay,
talaga.
Zoomies.
Tapos may nabili siyang pants. It's like buy one, get like 50% off.
Damn.
Tapos binayaran niya. Na ano?
Tangin lang yan. Nabudol ako.
Napilitan.
Ako'y nabudol.
Okay, 3 claps for CJ. Sa utang ni CJ.
CJ.
This
Gay ka
person
ba?
helped me a lot when I was in high school too.
Oh.
So,
Helping you out?
he likes to dress up, maybe.
Ah!
We've been through a lot, and then still surprised is still, you know, friends with me.
He's still
even though,
gay.
like all my
Ay,
like,
sorry.
attitude before and shit.
Is it questionable?
He's questionable. It's questionable sometimes. But yeah. Thank you.
O diba, questionable ka din, B.
Questionable?
Okay.
Your van helped me a lot in high school.
Yeah, his van, definitely.
Kaya nga eh.
Van? Van?
Yeah, be, his van. Ang daming pinagdaanan ng van ni Marvin be nung high school.
Pinipick up kayo?
Pinipick up kami, tapos ginagamit niya in other side quest.
Tsaka pangalan ko, ay kasama ko po si Marwin.
Ba't ang dami niyang clock? Gusto ko din more clock.
Ooh, what is that?
Wow, the Rolling Stones. Wow. Oh.
Ano to, pre?
What is that? What is that?
Socks. Socks na dumidila.
Ping rip right, gago. Two?
Nasaan yung, baka na yung gift wrap.
So
Basta ka na yung
Pwede ba steal? White elephant ba to?
Kasi yung mga, ano,
Pre, alam ko kasi basag na lahat. Gago.
Baso.
Thank you, pre.
Ah, that's so sweet. That's very thoughtful.
I know you guys like to drink wine, so. Tama ko si Vincent ko. Yeah, love you, bro. This no, they want to gift wrap.
Oh my god.
This person,
Yun yung rap.
is a person.
this is a person. Minsan, like, naubusan siya ng damit. Nagpapaulit-ulit ng damit.
Uy, kadiri. Joke lang.
Yeah, kahit hindi na nililigo madalas.
Ay, Mika.
Kailangan siya ng dagdag damit. Kasuot.
Dagdag labada lang yan.
Yeah. Hindi ako magastos talaga. Like, ano lang. Pag gumagastos ako, I make sure na investment.
5 seconds.
So, investment to.
For me.
I'll do 5 seconds.
Ah, investment daw para hindi ka na mabaho.
Doon ka na ko kay ano yun. Kala ko sa kanya yun.
No, open na lang. Take off the dollar.
Take off the dollar. Wow! Lalandi nyo.
Suotin mo yung mamaya pag-uwi.
That's why it was an investment.
Sabi na, lagot na later.
That's why he said investment. Investment. Good investment. Good investment. Good investment.
Ganda ako'y napatan na. Sweetness mo na nangangat, ikarapakwan.
Okay.
Yung katawan, pet mo malaman.
Thanks.
4 claps. 4 claps.
4 claps for
Mika.
Mika.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Mika.
Let's go sa
That's a
Mika.
person that I got. I
Parang
swear
ako
I
to.
have better gift for you.
Kasi
Because I
tinatamad ako.
What
forgot
happened?
I forgot my gift. Pero I swear I
Forgot.
have better gift for you. This is just an emergency gift. I
Wait,
swear I have
forgot.
JP.
You forgot it at home.
I forgot it at home. I got it. This is an emergency gift. Pero
my
I
God,
got
may
better
two gifts
gift,
ako.
I swear.
I swear.
That's sweet.
I take 2 gifts. Ay, ina.
Dog food yan, be.
Whitening niya. Whitening the...
Ate, dirty talaga ako. It's a song. Ay, bakla, ano tantawa ka dyan?
What's the scent?
Kitchen lemon.
Kitchen lemon?
Kinuha yan sa washroom nila CJ, no?
Shit, hindi mo nagkakita naman ako.
Kaya pa,
Kinuha ka, no?
Kaya parang natawagan mo dun kanina.
that's why the hand soap's gone.
Wait, 2 claps for forgotten gifts.
So, the person I got,
Lalaki?
hindi ko sabihin. Yung tao na to.
English.
Okay. Hold up. Give me 2 minutes to think. So this person that I got, I met him back in 2017, 2018. This person used to be straight.
Straight ka daw,
Just
be.
kidding. But this person has always been kind, has always been there for me. And the bad times and the good times. Why? I don't know why, but just but I got.
I'm kind. I'm a kind.
Ganda nung...
OVO!
Baka essential din yun, ha?
Wow, Playboy! Yeah!
Ay, akin yan, ito yung sa'yo. Sorry.
Ano ba to?
I like it.
Oh my God!
Magkano?
Kung ano kasi yan, nasa clearance siyempre.
148.
Okay, resell it.
No, it's 68.
Ay, sobra.
Thank you, Ben. I love it.
Patingin.
Try it on, try it on.
10 claps for JP.
JP! JP!
Magkikita pa naman tayo.
Hoy! Guys, ready na ba kayo guys na mahimik? Okay.
Ako nagagantuan. Sorry. Okay.
Kailangan niya to.
Pero parang ikakamatay na rin to. So meron akong niregalo
Ang sabi niya,
para sa lamay niya.
brandy.
Yeah.
Brandy.
Agad niya. Para kay Piolo.
Kakamatay mo yan.
Kakamatay ko.
mo daw.
Tapos meron kang panlamay.
Ikot.
What is it?
Kailangan ko nga sponge.
Sponge.
May sponge ko pa dyan.
Ooh.
Juicy.
Or a gift card.
Shut up, tupi.
What is it?
$100. What do you call this gift card? Save on food.
Hindi natin nagamit.
Shut the fuck up.
You can get 2 items, bro. 2 items.
Exactly.
Panlamay
so
mo yan.
Oh.
May isa pa. Ano to?
Open it. Gamot.
Tang ina mo.
Open it, babe.
Ano to?
Gamot sa pangit.
Where you going?
Hormonal.
Padede.
I already know. I love you.
Ano yun?
Fake.
Kailangan mo yung pang-ulan.
Oh my God!
Son, wala na.
Shell.
Very odd. Very odd.
Fresh from Hawaii.
Nation for you.
Fresh from Hawaii.
Love you, ate.
It's real.
Sana po, next time ako mabunod dito pre.
Piolo.
For ano? Wala ko 8.
Shit. This person, I've known her as a baddie. I think she's really pretty.
Is it me?
That's me, bro.
Yeah, she's what I think I look like.
Ay, kapalbe ah.
Diba? I think she's
With
really
makeup, without makeup?
with or without.
Okay.
And also, I think she's really talented and very artsy.
Wow.
And athletic. Athletic, like indeed.
Mika. Again?
Me?
Ganyan! Although nakalagay doon sa Dwayne.
Talented
Dwayne
pa
G.
ako. Merry Christmas. Thank you, Margo.
Ano it's gonna be?
Wow.
Okay, you know me.
Tama, kilala ka niya. Charo.
Wow.
Dinouble check ba eh? Is this obvious?
Friends to you.
Actually,
Ano yan, bra?
Thank you.
Palit tayo.
Ah, that's good.
Uy, gusto ko yan.
Okay.
palit tayo.
You know
May I want
It's real. It's real OVO.
Charot lang. Babae pala yun.
May no price tag. Kasi
Oh shit,
priceless.
22 lang.
Kasi ninakaw.
15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 1
Okay, thank you. So the person I got has gone through a lot in life. He deserves
Spider-Man.
love, sweetness, and comfortability. So I got him something for sweetness and comfort. And it is Oliver. Yay!
Thank you. We got munchies.
Oh, that's cute. Wow. Akin na lang. Oh, Lolo Lemon. Lolo Lemon.
Lolo, mahilig sa lemon.
May lemon.
So thoughtful. So that's the end of our exchange gift. Secret Santa type vibe.
Happy na ako. Pag busog ka na. Pinakikita ko nung nakumakain ka na bukas.
Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Taka na to. Alis din.
Alis na eh. Kiss na.
In the future, lalabas nila yun eh. Evidence. I'm like, yo, this guy's weird.
Pangyayari lang kayo.
So, may explanation naman eh kung ano tong meron dito ngayon. Ano ba to?
Ano explanation?
Explain then.
Ayars, please unsubscribe.
What?
Unsubscribe to his channel and like and share it to Pidea. He wants an addict, bro. Look at this guy. This guy's high on everything.
Para.
This guy, it's only vapes. Ito, tamad lang maligo, but
Ano? What did you say? L word. You what? You.
I love you.
Oh. Appetite.
Anchor.
Look at his tongue.
Ano uncle gagawin?
G?
It's okay. It's
Ha?
Max.
Mouse.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Bali roll.
Bug.
Punk. Punk.
Gun.
Drunken.
Drunken. Blanket.
Soldier.
Flamingo?
Yes.
Labas mo ka lang mo.
Worm?
Yeah. Run.
Run?
Hangahe.
Huh?
Over. Hangahe.
Sunglasses?
What?
Oven?
Over. Huh? Oval.
Oval?
Daya.
Rainy day.
Rainy day?
Easter.
Easter?
Sail.
Ah?
Sail.
Sail?
Sail.
Patay na pati ako, nado pa sa inyo.
Nakagana.
Baghouse.
Ako na.
Baghouse.
Ilapit ka sa Umbrella. Hey! I'm literally like the whole time.
Awkward.
Ay, nagro-roll!
Bicycle. Chess.
Hoy! Nag-roll ka! Ang daya mo! Ang daya mo!
Nico!
Labas mo dila mo!
Mahirap. Jim!
Jim!
Rodolfo.
Rodolfo.
Yes! Puta, ano mo? Yo, 15, bro. 15.
Hindi ka lumalabas yung dila eh! Nakagano, no?
Real talk, gago.
Paano?
Ayoko na, gag.
Kami inaalaga.
Magkakita mo na naman ako.
Wow! Kala mo naman may nanonood sa'yo.
No!
Paperclip. No, dali.
Vande. Vande.
Ano?
Vande.
Utang ina mo pa.
Vande. Vande.
Dentist.
What?
Vegetable.
Vegetable.
Belgium.
Green. Algae.
Oh my God, boy.
Last one.
Clouds. Liquor. Ticket. Planner. Planet. Ice cream cone.
Wait, ano mo?
Cups. Finger. Nakita.
Finger! Di ba ganun eh?
Boater. Motor. Bow tie. Domino. Sandwich. Squid. Square. Flamingo. Snow White.
Ilan?
Hey! Hey, 21. Tumulawan. Worth it. The drooling was worth it.
Angry.
Angry! Yes! Water! Moana. Thomas. Salt water.
Hard. Now porn.
Porn? Hard. Sword.
Hug.
Park.
Farm. Nagka-count ka na yan?
Crocodile. Crocodile. 360 Ano naman din? Bicycle. Accident. Bicycle. President. Fast. Flood.
Oy, nakalabas dila.
Napapadila ako. Nakadila natin. That's it, 21.
Ulol, 21 feeling 21. 26 ka na.
21.
26 kami. O, sige. 26 lang.
You counted it?
No, they're 15, 14.
O, sige.
Slim.
Feel. Wait, pass.
Elephant.
Ay, dila.
Alignment.
Assignment.
Alignment.
Alarma.
Alarm mo.
Wala nagsabi.
Wala nakuha niya.
Hindi.
Ay, hindi ba? Aliva.
Saliva.
Yes.
Ang dila.
Ano to? Ba't ayaw?
Pababa. Okay.
Ano yun? Happy.
Glue.
Hoy!
Flute.
Hoy, labas dila.
Bakit na pa?
Expensive.
Extensive.
Extension.
Wala na. Windmill.
Hoy, yung dila. Nakagawas.
Anana.
Assignment.
Annulment.
Annulment.
Oh, nakuha niya.
Anana?
Oo. Oh.
Frog.
Owl, 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 owl. Owl, owl.
Oh.
Egg.
Oh.
Elves. Elves.
Elves.
Dog yun. Wala. Anong dog? Oh.
Oh my god. 8.
They only got 8. Umbrella.
Then mag-score.
Paddle.
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 Palay.
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 Tagay.
Next.
Tagay.
Parade.
Palay.
Parade.
Wala. Balay.
Tough.
Pillows.
Tough. Tough.
Pillows.
Tough.
Fellow.
Tough.
Clothes.
Tough.
Makita.
Tools. Etade.
Other.
Etade.
One.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Dilat.
Bilat.
Dibidibidap-dap. Dilat.
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 Nakikita.
Dilat.
Itago mo.
Dilat.
Dilat.
Dilata.
Chin-up gag.
Oh, dilat.
Wala yun ah.
Ham.
Wala. Ah, shit.
Tado. Shadow. Si Tado.
Tado.
Kantut na. Kantutan. Pwede. Kantut na.
Tutupi.
Sorry.
Catheter.
Kampung po.
Kampuban.
Kantutan.
Computer.
Computer.
Redo.
Rad.
Redo.
Listen.
Redo. Whistle. Redo.
Leader.
Leader. Leader.
Ay, wala yun ah. Sinabi mo eh.
Kaya wala na. Flight. Flight. Flight.
Fight.
Flight.
Bakit ka pigilin yung leg mo?
Flight.
Fight.
Flight. Flight. Bicycle.
Ah.
Niraplap na yung Congressman.
Panggas.
Tanggas.
Pass.
Ang bobo naman nung teammate niya. Sunglasses.
Nightmare. Good. Destiny.
Recipes. Ayun.
Lunch.
Sinira na.
Life.
Lunch.
Rice.
Life.
Rice.
Race.
Wrench.
Five lang. Five.
Bye.
Dance. Elf. Dance. Dance.
Dance.
Plant. Plants.
Pass. Pass.
Pan. Call. Calm. Call. Calm.
Call.
Carl.
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 Milo.
Call.
Milo.
Car.
One.
Submarine.
Family.
Submarine.
Submarine.
Ah, shit. Two.
Galing na.
Doghouse.
Doghouse.
Three.
Fifth.
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 Spit.
Oh, hindi.
Oh.
Spit.
Opener.
Can opener.
Moon. Kapal.
Moon.
Spoon.
Spoon.
Ghost.
Ghost.
Blender Redman.
Pentel pen. Huh?
Gingerbread man. Pack.
Pet. Peck.
Pack. Mirror.
Mailbox.
Mirror.
Ilan na sila?
Nine.
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Paperclip.
Paperclip.
Wrist.
Wrist.
Lift.
Utak.
Fifth.
Trip.
Fifth.
Fifth. Strip. Fifth.
Thick.
Something more than one
Lip.
Freak. Vegetable.
Again.
13. 13. Ang dali. Kung bata yung sa inyo.
Pag nananalo, ano yun?